Georgetown Top Grain Leather Collection by Abbyson is a perfect mix of designer style and ultimate comfort. Covered in premium leather that is thick and soft, Georgetown offers a slight sauvage or multi-tone effect, which highlights the natural characteristics of its high-end leather. This collection also features additional support for the lower back with its lumbar pillow design. Simply sit back, relax, and indulge in the comfort. Finally, to increase the quality of seating level, Georgetown seat cushions consist of a high-density polyurethane seat core topped with a plush fiber blend, which creates an extremely soft and pillow-like feel. The seat cushions are attached, which helps keep the seats looking precise, while the back cushions are detachable for added flexibility. For casual family rooms and classy contemporary apartments alike, bring the Georgetown Leather Collection by Abbyson into your home and experience a comforting, laid-back space every single day. Abbyson, makers of the living experience.